Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make a HR voice agent in less than 10 minutes. Let's start. So for this we'll be using 11 Labs. To start with, you can enter on the link down in the description below. So as you enter, you're gonna get started free. Then you can sign up or sign in with your Gmail or your personal email, and then you're gonna be on 11 Labs dashboard. Next, we need to move to Conversational AI, and here we can create our agent. We're going to start from blank. It's very important how you set up the agent. So here we have a new agent. We're going to name him Max HR. Next, we're going to choose the language, which is English. Also, additional languages, I want him to speak Spanish. Okay. So first message, how you want the first interaction with the person to be. I prepared already a template here and I'll use that. Here, Max will start like that. Hi, this is Max, the HR manager from Mars Cable. I'm calling you because you applied for the cable technician position and I would like to know if you're still interested. That will be the first message. Okay, the system prompt. Here is how you want the personality of the HR agent to be. I already prepared the prompt for that. I'll just copy and paste here. So you are Max, a friendly and professional HR agent from Mars Cable. Your task is to conduct initial recruitment screening for the cable technician position, and so on. Okay. Next is LLM. Is here you can choose the language model that you want for your agent. For that, I'll use ChatGPT-4 Turbo. Okay, so it's the fastest. I mean, it shows Gemini there, but both of them are the same level, I would say. Okay, here you can inform the AI how strict it follows your script. I'll put 20 because I want him to fully follow my script. Limit token usage, may leave it as it is. And knowledge base, very important. Here you need to add the relevant information for the AI to know. So you can add files about the company, also you add here URLs if there's a website as an example, or text if you wish to. So here we're going to add just a few simple texts. Here we have a conversational flow. So I would like Max to follow a specific script, like a greeting and a few questions, because I want to know that the person that applied for this job position has specific criteria, right? Here we have a basic knowledge in regards to the company, so we're going to add that one here as well. Also, there are different other parts that you can add, which is emotional intelligence, personas, and so on. But for now, we're going to leave it as it is. Next, we're going to go to tools. Here, you can add specific tools like, hey, for the agent to schedule the calls, schedule meetings, send emails, send messages, add calls, answer calls, and so on. In secrets, you may add here specific API keys and other required information. For now, that's it. We're going to press on save. And next, we will need to move to the voice. So we're going to press on voice. And here we can select our voice. They have a lot of voices here, so choose the one that you like the most. Let's see.
A single rose can be my garden.
Government of the
okay. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit. В том есть сила, что выглядит. Начало всегда сегодня.
Okay, that guy looked okay, which his name is Oleg. Let's try it out. Okay, here you can leave it as it is, use Flash. We do recommend using TTS output format to 16K. So leave it as it is. Pronunciation dictionaries, if you have specific words that you want the agent to say, so you can teach him here. The rest we're going to leave it as it is. Press save. And next we're going to go to analysis. Here is the evaluation criteria. So if you want to evaluate, let's say, how the AI agent communicates with the applicant or with the customer or anything else, you can add specific evaluation here. Here I will add one. So criteria. here I have validated the conversation transcript between Max and the applicant for the Mars cable technician position. So I want to have the required information and how the conversation went, because I would like to analyze and of course to improve this HR agent. Also data collection if you want to collect specific data. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. Press save, then move to security. Here it's mostly for personal use, so if you want to have the specific company files and so on, you can do, but for now we're going to leave it as it is. Press advanced, turn timeout. Here, let's say if the applicant or the person that calls or the agent calls, if they don't, let's say, talk for 5 or 6 or 7 seconds, the agent will initiate the call. So for now we're going to leave it to, let's say, 6 seconds. The conversation duration I want it to be no more than 200 seconds, so we're going to leave it like that. Keywords. So here you can use specific keywords based on the HR company. So here I will add Mars cable, okay. Screening applicant agreement, okay. You leave everything else as it is. Press save. And the next is widget. So if you want to have this HR agent straight away available on your website, it is possible to do so, by the way. You can just enter on any website or your own personal website. You can just copy this. For example, I will show you here. We have a Shopify. You can just add a custom liquid, which is an HTML. You can just add it here, press save, and then it will appear on your website like that. So you can start the call straight away to your website. Okay, so far our agent is done, so let's test him out. You ready? Okay, let's go.
Mars Cable. I'm calling because you applied for the cable technician position. I would like to know if you're still interested.
Sorry, hello, who's that?
Hello, this is Max from Mars Cable. You applied for the cable technician position, and I'm calling to check if you're still interested in the role. Are you still interested?
Hi Max. Yeah, I remember I applied for the role. Yes, I'm interested. What's up?
Great to hear that you're still interested. First, I need to confirm a few details. Do you have a valid driving license?
Yes, Max, I have it.
That's excellent. Next question. Do you have a social security number?
I do have a social security number.
Perfect. Thank you for confirming that. Now, do you have a white pickup truck or a minivan?
I'm sorry, Max, can you repeat that?
Of course, I was asking if you have a white pickup truck or a minivan, which is required for the job. Do you have one of these vehicles?
No, Max, I don't have one. Sorry.
It's not a problem at all. We have a lease-to-own agreement available if you're interested in obtaining a vehicle for the job.
Okay.
Would you like to learn more about this option?
Maybe we can talk about it later.
Absolutely, we can discuss the lease-to-own option later. Moving on, this position is as a private contractor, which means you will be issued a 1099 tax form. Mars Cable does not deduct taxes from your paycheck, and you will be responsible for paying your own taxes. Does this arrangement work for you?
I'll think about it, but I think yes.
That sounds good. I'll send your information to the supervisor, and they will contact you shortly to discuss the next steps. Do you have any other questions before we finish?
No, Max. Thank you for calling, man. I appreciate it. So there you have it. It's that easy to set it up. Also here you can add the phone numbers. So let's say if you have a Twilio account, you can link the phone numbers together. So here you can put the API and also the secret key, also the phone number. So when someone calls, or if you want the agent to make that call, you can do so here. I think that's for another video. So we are reaching already our time here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead. Take care and goodbye.